Hi and welcome back to the Lothian Valet channel. In this video we are comparing two wheel cleaners to see which one that we feel that works best on spraying on and then blasting off. Then we've got to reapply it and use a wheel brush, and at the end we are also going to give you some wee tips and tricks to apply to the wheels to help them from balding up. To find out what the wheel cleaners are, stay tuned and let's get on with the video. Right, okay, we've done one side of the van with the wheels, but now we've got to jump over to the other side and redo the same process but with the second wheel cleaner, and we'll see you shortly. now we've finished doing cleaning of the wheels, the two wheel cleaners that we were using was the Infinity Wax, I think it's called, correct me if I'm wrong if I don't pronounce it correctly, is Innocent Wheels, and the Barton Chemicals, I'm not sure which one it is, but what I'll do is I'll drop the links down below in the description. So for the two top tips, that for helping to protect the wheels, you could use a spray sealant, which I know Infinity Wax do, is I think it's called Ghost if I mind correctly, or you can get a paste wax for wheels. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and please remember to subscribe, and by all means give it a share and let me know your thoughts. See you in the next one.